when we started, many people said, women in India, 1 crore, impossible.
Congratulations to all!
What was the one thing you did differently that got you into the 1CR club?
The balance was my biggest barrier because I was trying to achieve it for the maximum number of years.
Big, hairy, audacious goals, and then have confidence and develop that mindset that I can do it.
For my situation, it would be calculated risks.
Powerful request and playing your A game.
Now, seeing 50 people already reaching here, it feels 100 is not very far away, and we are looking at 1,000 people reaching 1 crore yearly income in next 3 years.
Here we saw women who use business war tactics to fast track their careers and win big in their careers. If you are committed to fast track your career, go to the CXO levels, go to the next levels very fast in your career, I invite you to join our masterclasses today.